It's another day. It's another three things. Today, we're going to talk about the three habits that make you stand out at work. Abi ni mo, kada usa na to, nagtinguha jud ta na mo excel sa tong trabaho. Na makita ta sa to ang mga amo na maayo ta mo trabaho. Nga naman. Because everybody wanted for a simple raise. Not just in terms of salary, but in terms of possession as well. Recognition, awards, gusto ta na. Now karon atong tan-awon kung unsa ning mga habit aning mga tao na ni-excel sa mga trabahoan. Now let's begin. Number 1, going the extra mile consistently. In Colossians 3 verse 23, now this is very common. Whatever you do your work heartily as for the Lord rather than for men. Abi nimo kining mga average worker ang ginatrabaho ana kung unsa la require, kung unsa gisugo, kung unsa gitrabaho, diha lang taman. Pero those people na achiever, they are going to go the extra mile. Mga excellent workers ni sila, they add value beyond the expectations sa gasugo. And whether it's finishing a task early, helping teammates, or are anticipating what kind of need na pangayoon, consistent sila na ilang i-deliver ni nga mga butanga, dili lang para ma-deliver, kundi they deliver it with excellence. Na tungod ani, dali sila ma-notice. Excellence becomes their signature. Kung suguon gani nimo ni sila, makita gid nimo na mauni ang tatak na iyang gibutang sa iyang gitrabaho. Nya nahimo na niyang daily habit na every time na dunay task given, mailhan gid nimo na kini siya o trabaho gid niya. Number 2, communicating clearly and respectfully. In Colossians 4 verse 6, it says here, let your speech always be with grace, seasoned with salt, so that you will know how you should answer each person. Now, professional who stands out are not just skilled. Dili lang ni maayo mo trabaho. They know how to express their ideas clearly. They listen very actively and they show respect in every interaction made. Good communication strengthens the trust level sa matag usa. Nya kining tawo na maayong mo communicate, dali siya makakuha og collaboration. So, the way you speak is just as important as what you deliver. And lastly, number 3, taking ownership, not just task. In 1 Corinthians 4 verse 2, it says here, it is required in stewards that one be found faithful. Now, employees who simply follow orders blend in. Those who take ownership stands out. Ownership means treating the organization's mission and resources as if it's your own. So therefore, imo siyang ampingan. You will take care of it deeply. Nya, concerned ka kung unsa ang mahimong resulta, the output. Dili lang para sundon o musubay o usa ka checklist. Responsibility demonstrates leadership even without a title. Mauni ang mahitabo kung ang usa ka tawo take ownership of the things that he is doing. Standing out at work isn't about being the loudest voice in the room, but it's about building habits of excellence, good communication, and most importantly, ownership that speaks louder than the words na imong ginabatbat diha kanunay. Till next, bye!